Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I make another logo for you, so stay tuned in the end. Now go to ellipse tool and then change stroke, increase its speed, go to object and expand it. Oh sorry, not expand. Use the scissor tool. See इसका shortcut है. So now simply click it with this point and shape expand it and again this point. Now use this selection tool and delete it. Now simply drag it and go to this tool and simply this is it. Now this is our M logo. So I think if you're gonna like it, then do subscribe and share my video with your friends and family. Now if you want this and if you want kind of this and if you want this, you can also use this, and I think this is the better much. So now again I'm going to simply uh, copy it with alter to make B, and now rotate it, and this is our logo. Go to object menu and expand appearance. Now expand appearance, path and united. Now path and united. So we have two ways. Go to object, path, offset path, and now click it with minus front. Now here is the again solution of this. So if you choose to consider it, then you can always. So what we are going to do is simply, okay, now what we are going to do is simply, uh, you can choose the color as per your preference or per your choice. Now I copy as the same. So what we are going to do again, we are draw it and change it to stroke, then increase the PD and use this scissor tool to cut it, and now this is our C, and I think if you want some kind of really making nice logo, so you can just take this rotate tool and simply click it and सिंपली कंट्रोल ऑल्टर से आप इससे पहले कॉपी करें एंड देन कंट्रोल डी कंट्रोल डी कंट्रोल डी कंट्रोल डी कंट्रोल डी कंट्रोल डी कंट्रोल डी. Now this is our logo. So unite it and again copy it with Alta. Copy it with, go to copy and paste in front, and now rotate it. use this gray color, and this is our. If you don't want it, then you can simply use it that way and Control G, copy it with edit copy. Oh, yeah, copy and paste in front, rotate it again, copy, paste in front, and again edit copy, paste in front. Now this is best, but I don't need this. So now we are going to make this common N. Change to stroke and increase the gradient. Yes. Okay. So now this is R and customize, and if you want to change, then you can just customize a little bit, and your N is ready. Now copy it with Alt. Sorry, copy. Go to edit menu, copy and paste in front. And now and then expand it, and then expand it. So guys, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to receive important updates to you, and do subscribe to my channel if you like the video. Look at with shift and minus front. And if you choose to draw this line, expand it, align it, but I think this is great. So basically this is our N logo, and if you edit, copy and paste in front, then go to transform and reflect, and then this is our. Go to object path, opposite path. Now 3pt is enough. Go to pathfinder and minus find. Now guys, this is our N and N logo. I hope you guys like my video. Do subscribe and share. And if you like my videos, then do comment me and tell your opinion with me. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye bye.